Oh, who the hell is this? Hello? Hello? Who is it? What? Channa Masala? Channa Aloo Masala bastard? What do you want? Main dish, side dish? Okay, no problem. I'll do a video for you, bastard. No problem. Okay. Hello, bastards! I got some chickpeas here and some potato. What I did was parboiled them to the restaurant takeaways. They usually use tinned potato already boiled. So what we're going to do is we're going to use fresh. We've got some mustard seeds there. We've got some coriander. We got some ginger garlic. We've got some tomatoes. We've got some oil. You can use ghee. We've got a little bit of salt, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, little bit chili powder, little bit tandoori masala powder, little bit methi, which is fenugreek, dried fenugreek. So I got my frying pan out and my collection of frying pans that I used to use for my restaurant takeaway curries. I thought, go on, fucking, I fished them out of the garage and cleaned them up. I put some mustard seeds in with the oil and ginger garlic. We're going to stir fry for a minute, no longer. Don't burn the bastard. Don't burn it. Just do what I do. Fucking hell! Oh, bastard, hopefully it doesn't burn. Oh, it hasn't burned. I'm okay. So we add the chickpeas, add the potatoes, stir fry that off for about a minute. And then we're going to go in with all the spices that I just fucking showed you. And a little bit of salt. You can add more salt. You can add more spice. You can add fresh chili. You can add naga chili. You can add what the fuck you like. And it's your dish, not fucking mine. I'm just giving you the basics. And we add the tomatoes, stir fry for another minute. Don't forget, this is speeded up. This is a Yorkshire Curry Base, Yorkshire Indian Curry Base. It's on my pin profile. Get on it. Many bastards are making it. So I added about 150 ml to that. Added a little bit of water after I cooked for about a minute. And then what I'm going to do is bring this to a boil and then simmer it down to get it to the consistency that I want. Don't forget your fresh coriander, cilantro. I want some cilantro. Anyway, you can have this peck, you can have this pin, you can have this saucy, you can have this dry. I liked it like this, and that's where I stopped it. It's up to Joe. Anyway, it looks fucking amazing. Just imagine somebody come to your house and you made this for them. And say, I made you some chickpeas, man. Chicken? I love chicken, mate. No, it's chickpeas, man. Chicken, not have peas, fella. Chicken, not have fucking peas, man. That comes out of the bum. Anyway, this isn't. These are proper chickpeas. Channa Aloo Masala. Get on with it, bastard. All the rest of the dishes are going to be on my playlist. Restaurant takeaway, curries. Get on with it, bastard. See you soon.